think so far? Hey, pretty amazing? Okay. Clap a lot louder than that or we're going to do something crazy next. So come on, one more time. And so you'll save from jokes. So let's, how is everyone doing? Good so far? Right? Okay. We have performers back there waiting. We're going to get jazzed up. Okay. So our next performers, you're in for a treat. This is going to be really neat. It's the Silk Strings from China with Gao, Shan, Liu, Xiu. I did my best to do it. So it's Sandy Yip and Shan Jing Brown. So I'll give you a little background on what you're about to see. So the song itself, it's in English it means the high mountains and the flowing water, and it's one of the most historical, famous Chinese musical compositions over the last 3,000 years. Basically, it represents friendship with Chinese music. And the fan dance, what you'll see with the fan dance is it's used to describe the heights of the mountain and then the flow of water in the river. So, you know, the two together, I think you'll be in for a great treat. So put your hands together for this excellent thing we're seeing here with the Silk Strings. Go ahead. Just incredible. If you could think it sounded amazing, you want to see from up here watching her go, Sandy go with her fingers on the instrument. It's incredible. It's incredible. Put your hands together for the three ladies. We got some doors.